praises for Allah, who is the arch of the all existence and the most generous to His creation, while He is also the all-compelling. He is the only one worthy of our worship, having no partners, no associates, no sons, no daughter, no one whom He must consult, and no one or anything which has any comparison with Him. Today at this great occasion, I would like to speak on the status of women in Islam. The status of women in Islam is an issue that is pertinent in present times, both due to divergence of cultural practices in the Muslim world from the Islamic perspective and the erroneous perception in the West that Islam subjugates women for. Mr. President, in pre-Islamic Arabia, a woman was inhumanly considered to be a part of wealth and property. She used to be sold and purchased like any property or animal. Illiterate Arabs of the pre-Islamic era considered women to be a cause of bad luck and misfortune, and buried innocent girls alive. Those women, however, who escaped early death were allowed to live only on sufferance. Such was the condition of the women in the world. When the Holy Prophet ﷺ was born in Arabia, and through the divine revelations and his practical example preached to the world that women have equal rights, honor, and status in life. Women also have the right of ownership of property, like males have. No doubt, women have some specialized duties to perform in life, just as males have their own duties. Islam has high regard for women as mothers, sisters, daughters, and wives. Mr. President, Islam denounces the pre-Islamic inhumane custom of female infanticide and commands people to love and cherish their daughter even more than their sons. The Holy Quran says that on the day of judgment, the female infant who was buried alive will be questioned, بِأَيِّ ذَنْبٍ قُتِلَتْ, for what crime was she killed? The Holy Quran describes the position of the wife in a beautiful words. He created for you mates from among yourselves, that you might find solace in them, and He ordained between you love and mercy. Holy Prophet ﷺ said that the most perfect of believers in faith is best of them in morals, and best of you are those who are kind to your wife. In his famous address at the Flower Pilgrimage, the Holy Prophet ﷺ again laid stress on the kind and gentle treatment with wives. He said that, "O my people, you have certain rights over your wives, so have your wives over you. They are Allah's trust in your hand. See that you treat them with all kindness." It is reported that the Holy Prophet ﷺ was questioned by a companion as to who after Allah and His beloved Prophet ﷺ should be revered most. The Prophet ﷺ said, "Your mother." When questioned, "Who after the mother?" the Prophet ﷺ said, "Your mother." He was again asked, "And then who after the mother?" He again replied, "Your mother." This tradition shows that the position of the mother in the eyes of her sons and daughter should be 3 times higher than that of the father. Mr. President, Islam has given women a share of inheritance. Before Islam, women were not only deprived of that share, but were themselves considered as property to be inherited by men. Whether woman is a wife or mother, a sister or daughter, she receives a certain share of the deceased kind's property. A share that depends on her degree of relationship to the deceased and number of his. This share is hers. No one take it away or disinherit her. Even if the deceased wishes to deprive her by making a will to the other relation or in favor of any other cause, the law will not allow him to do so. It is thus clear that the status of women in Islam is very high. What Islam has established for women is that which sees their nature, gives them full security, and protects them against distressful circumstances and uncertain channel of life. Thank you so much for listening.